Hi, welcome y'all to another video of Miss T Ideas. Welcome to my YouTube family. Welcome to this community, to my channel. If you're new to the building, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. Y'all, I did a prompt. I think I'm on the right prompt. Okay, because I don't usually do prompts, but I need to get better at it. I did let me see what they're calling it, we had to have some 8 by 11 or something, 8.5 by 11. Them boards, storyboards, whatever, what they call it, Masterboards, okay? And I did it, I cut it in 4, but as you can see, I got more than 4 things. And this here is not fancy, it's not something I worked on for a long time, or none of that. Yeah, but I put it together, and I'm going to show it to you. I just found some ephemera. That's what I did. I just went in my stash, and I found ephemera and these little jewels here. I don't really like those on there because for some reason it take away. It was prettier without that because it got writing. You know, this some windows I made out of an envelope. And it's the picture. But I love this color of her dress. That's a pretty girl. I gotta put that in there good. And I already had these rings. I've made a ring binder before. So I already had the rings and I just used the accessories, and we're gonna go through these. So I'm not gonna prolong the time because I just want to show you the prompt. I think this was the prompt for today. Make a masterboard. We have to use 4 pieces of that masterboard. And I got a lot of masterboards. I mean, I like to do it. I got a lot of master. So I measured it this morning. I put it on my pad. And I began to do work. I had to leave a little while, but I came back to get it. Okay. Now, this the background is the masterboard. Put my glasses on. This is the little windows I make. I got a bunch of them right here. Yeah, I remember I got a video of them. And I just happen to have them by me if I can show you. Some of them I do the little pane, the little plastic for the pane, and some of them I don't. It depends on what I have when I'm making them. Simple, I make them out of junk mail. That's what I make them out of, the junk mail envelopes. So like I said, y'all have seen this before. I got a bunch of them. See, there's the plastic on this one. On this one is the plastic. But they pretty with or without. And they fit a little book like this real good. They fit anything real good, really. It depends on how you put it. Okay. And put this away. And I'm going to flip through it. There's some fabric here. There's some cardstock I had. The background. This is the latest memory board I made. Okay. Again, I use cardstock. I use ephemera that I have. And this is a window. And I didn't have a picture to put in here. I didn't have nothing I wanted to put in here, so I put a newspaper, a book. Just have something in there. I didn't spend a lot of time on this. So this is It's plain. I didn't write in it. I'm not going to write in this one. I'm not going to write in all of my glue books. This is a tag. I've been having a, matter of fact, someone sent that tag to me. This is the journaling papers. It's a little pocket. To hold some stuff in it. And put this back in here. And yeah, I've been having this this piece of ephemera that I made to ephemera from Subway. It was a Subway bag. I think it was one of the dessert bags, little side piece bags. It was a long bag. This was already made. I made it a long time ago. I have some stuff that I've made a long time ago. When we was making pockets or whatever. And I cut it. I covered it and I cut it. And let me show you. I need one of them pointers. Okay, this is a pocket here. I can put stuff in. Right here is that fold over for that bag. I just trim the bag, you know, and cut it in half. And this right here also opens. You know the bag is long, so I'd have to fix something long to go there. I just cut it, put it in there, and there it is. This is a vellum envelope, y'all. We all like vellum. You know we all like vellum. And I just put one of my scriptures here that I had in my stash, and I had the vellum envelope. Someone had sent me this in a mail, hyper mail. So I'm gonna stick it in here. Or like I said, you can stick it in here. Do I have something else in there? My grandkids done went back to school. They are doing well. My you know, my oldest graduated in May. It just passed, and was getting ready for college. And my grandson, one of my grandsons went to middle school, and the other one is in high school, sophomore. Is it sophomore year? Yeah, sophomore year. And he looks so young, y'all. They look still babies. And my granddaughter, she's just doing her own little thing. Miss Pris. Okay. I've been having that bingo card. I've been wanting to use that bingo card for something. But I don't want to tell you something funny. I haven't used the bingo card. Now, I love the bingo card. I like it as ephemera. But I didn't want to just put it on anything because I didn't want people to think I was gambling around here. I don't gamble. So I put it in this journal. I like it. I mean, you know, we understand ephemera. You know, ephemera is ephemera. And we get some ephemera, we're going to use it. Cut it up, do something to it. It's a dolly that I have with this butterfly on it. It also came from somewhere. I just put paper with writing here. I think you could put pockets if you want to. This here was an envelope too. And open it like that. I could have something in there, but I don't. But I'll eventually put something in there. I told y'all this was some fast put together. Ephemera. And look at this pretty girl. I like the old pictures. You know, I like to see the background and everything. And this is the back of it. And this is called stock. This is the Masterboard with all the stuff I glued on it. And I just framed it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm at 621 subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. Please share the video, like and subscribe, share the video. I appreciate it so much. And this is Miss T Ideas. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.